Hi watch people, we are back. I'm Nelson. Today we are going to unbox Seiko 5 SRPB 93K1. Nickname Hawk because of the green dial and green bezel. Seiko 5 collection is one of the most recommended collection of affordable watch if you ask advice from a watch lover or expert. Seiko 5 collection consists a wide range of watches for all type of occasion, taste and preference. That's also the reason why Seiko 5 collection is a watch for everyone. You see the dial? Green color. Very nice. It's durable, reliable and well built timepiece at a reasonable price. If you're looking for a sport dive watch, classic, iconic dive watch design with a decent water resistant and solid build, this might be the watch for you. 100-meter water resistant, mineral glass, 44 mm diameter, 13 mm thickness, laugh width is 22. Is using this caliber in-house 4R35, which consists 41 power reserve. It's a big watch, but not huge. Popular for men with large and medium size wrist. Let's try on. My wrist is 6.5 inch. Yeah, still can pull through. It's look beautiful. I love the green dial. Nice. A good looking dive watch. A sporty everyday timepiece for everyone who appreciate the look of dive watch. Clean, timeless diving timepiece is meant for everyday wear. What do you think? You like it? The bracelet is solid. Very smooth. They have a see-through back case. What do you think? I hope you like it. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.